Quick question. Which sentence is correct? I'm looking forward to hear from you, or I'm looking forward to hearing from you. If you got it wrong, you're not alone. Native speakers actually correct this mistake in emails constantly. Stick around because we're breaking down 5 mistakes that sound small but scream non-native speaker to your boss, your teacher, or anyone listening. Here's the rule that changes everything. After prepositions like to, for, about, before, use a gerund. That's the ing form. Wrong. I'm interested in learn English. Right. I'm interested in learning English. Why? Because prepositions need nouns. And gerunds are noun forms. Listen to how it flows better. Try this. Look around your day and find 3 things you're interested in, tired of, or good at. Say them out loud with ing forms. Your ear will start catching the rhythm. This is the mistake that confuses nearly every intermediate learner. Here's the difference. Use present perfect when it happened in the recent past and affects the present. Example. I've lost my keys. They're still lost right now. Use simple past when it's a finished action with no connection to now. Example. I lost my keys in 2019. That's just history. The secret? Ask yourself, does this still matter right now? If yes, use have plus past participle. If it's just a story from the past, use simple past. Native speakers notice this mistake constantly. Native English speakers say articles are one of the hardest things to teach. Here's the practical shortcut. Use the when both you and your listener know which specific thing you mean. Like, I went to the bank. You both know which bank. Use a or in when it's new information or one of many. Like, I need to open an account. The honest truth? This takes time. But here's a trick. Listen to podcasts and notice when speakers use the versus a. Your brain will absorb the pattern. Don't stress about perfection. Context saves you most of the time. Wrong. You know what time the meeting is? Right. Do you know what time the meeting is? Many learners forget to add the helping verb at the start of yes/no questions. The formula is simple. Do, does, did plus subject plus main verb. It's do you know, not just you know. But here's the interesting part. In casual conversation, your version might be understood. But in professional settings, this mistake makes you sound less educated. One trick. When you write an email, check every question. Does it start with do, does, did, will, can? If not, fix it. This one is subtle but super common. Use make when you create or produce something. Make a decision, make a cake, make a mistake. Use do for activities, tasks, or general actions. Do homework, do exercise, do your best. Here's the memory hack. Make sounds like you're building something. Do sounds like you're just doing it. Practice by thinking about your morning. I make coffee. I do exercise. I make a list. I do the dishes. Say it 5 times and it sticks. And here's a bonus. This is the mistake that trips up even advanced learners. So when you fix it, people notice. Here's what you do right now. Pick one mistake from this video. Just one. For the next week, focus on that single mistake in your speaking and writing. Don't try to fix all 5 at once. Your brain learns better with focus. Then come back and tackle the next one. Small, consistent improvements beat perfection every time. By the way, every native English speaker makes mistakes. The difference is they keep learning. You're already doing that. Drop a comment below. Which mistake did you have no idea about? Let's learn together in this community.